And we are live. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to this channel. This is Morris once again. I am Morris Admittance. You can also call me the Kenyan Hexican. Yeah, price up, price up, price up, ha ha ha, price up, price up, ha ha ha, price up, ha ha ha, price up, price up, price up, ha ha ha, hex, price up, price up, price up, price up, ha ha ha, 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 pulse, price up, Bitcoin, price up, Bitcoin, price up, ha ha ha. Price up, ha ha ha. Price up, ha ha ha. Price up, hi, hi, hi. Price up, ha ha ha. Hex, price up, price up, ha ha ha. Price up, ha ha ha. Anyway, yeah. I just became a rapper and yeah. Wow, I've just been, I don't know, I've been trying to rap. Yeah, so thank you. Welcome to this video. We are looking at a small bit about PulseChain. Yeah, so I'll be sharing my screen in a few. Yeah, just to explain about PulseChain. PulseChain is a very good ecosystem, and it's a good blockchain and network that you can do lots of things in. Yeah, so look at pulsechain.com and then you will be able to learn much about it. So basically, I think you can see my analytics here. This is pulsechain.com. Yeah, this is the current price of pulsechain right now, and yeah, from all its time low, it is trading at just been up 12%. Yeah, it is trading at 0.0000108. Yeah, so again, we are just going to look at the price chart. So this video is just to do some small analytics and very clean analytics about Pulse and how it has been behaving, how price has been performing in the last. Maybe we can look at this chart on the weekly, on the monthly. Actually, this is the main monthly time frame, and you can see this is the time frame here, and we are looking at it in candlesticks, and this is how it has been trading. So basically, the red candlestick mean bearish trend, and the green candlestick mean bullish trend. Bulls, like the way a bull will try to strike from bottom to up, and the bears meaning how the bears attack from up to bottom, and it is quite represented well in this chart on how price is performing and how it has been performing since this asset was launched, and this is how it is been trading. You can see currently price is at its bottom, actually making new lower lows. Yeah, so it's a privilege to be here and analyzing these, because I know one time maybe price might be trading at maybe high prices, and people will maybe look at these prices, how price was trading at these times. So this is one of the very first times when after the inception of this token, of this coin, that is Pulse, and you can see it has been down 93.75% since all its time high, since the highest price it has ever been, and now the currently lowest price it is. So you can see we are at a 93% discount. Yeah, so like this is a very big discount currently, and it's just a privilege. Right now we are looking at this price, like whenever you usually hear buy the dip, now this is the dip that we are talking about. This is actually a very massive one. Actually, yeah, if you go and analyze the token, it doesn't or have an on or off switch, so it is decentralized. You can never like it can never go by up to zero. So this is a test of the technology that Richard Hart as designed with the developers and the community at large. Yeah, so this is quite a big thing at this particular time. This is we are in 2026 and today's date 13. Yeah, so this is the current price of Pulse. Currently you can see it's 0.000, how many zeros? Four zeros, then 1088. So price is very low right now. Actually it has dipped again. It is dipped again. I think my previous videos, the price was quite up around 0.40 11 something. Yeah, but then you can see price is actually dipping, like dipping deeper. All right. Yeah. So we are going to do a small analysis about this. Yeah, so we know it has been down more than 90%, and we can just pull this trend line here just to see. We can switch it off again. We can switch to the weekly time frame just to see how price has been performing on the weekly. Remember, each candlestick here again represents how price has been performing each week since this crypto was launched. And you can see this is the current price, and this is how we determine this the bearish trend. You can also switch to the line graph so that you can confirm the the points where price was making significant moves. Let me charge my devices. Yeah, so yeah, this is just to show how price has been performing. Again, now let's switch to the clean and very clean chart on the candlesticks. Yeah, so you can see this is how it has been trading. We can narrow down maybe now to the daily time frame. This is how price has been performing on the daily, and we can also like confirm this trend, this bullish trend, this bearish trend. Oh, the bulls might be coming anytime. The bulls might be coming anytime. Right now we have the inception of the Provex, which is a decentralized exchange that is launching on PulseChain, and it might be launching anytime. So you'll be able to exchange your fiat to Pulse, from maybe fiat to PulseX, any that you want, and from any network, even Bitcoin, Ethereum network. So it is like the exchange killer that is coming to take over the storm. People are better testing these right now, and you better go to the site and just do your testing right now. It will be integrating with other things and other broad networks and use cases in different areas and banks. Your local bank will be listed there. You'll be able to transact. So back again now to Pulse Chain. This is the current price, and you can see how the bearish trend has been looking like. You can see currently this is the price. This is the how the price is performing right now. You can see like it is making like a small correction again. We might be waiting for price maybe now to now again test these previous all-time low. You see that area there, that zone. So if price maybe test here and maybe it gets price bounces or gets rejected, we might be now anticipating, for a W. You can see this W. So this, it will be creating two bottoms. These are just analysis where it might not perform the way we are maybe anticipating, but probably these might be what we are forecasting, because this is like called a reversal candlestick pattern. And if price does this, it is very healthy. Actually, the price going down right now may be shocking. People might be bringing a lot of fuss and a lot of controversies in the fundamental analysis. Like this one has sold, this one has done that, but the market is always very right. So Some of these reversal candlestick patterns explain how price might be performing in the next future. So this is what maybe we are anticipating with Pulse. Actually, you guys are very lucky. Just we are going through this right now, and this is like big information right now. Like before Provex gets launched, we might see a lot of liquidity around this area being picked and price going up. These are just my 2 cents. It might not work that way. I'm not any financial advisor. I'm just I'm just Morris. Yeah, so just do your own research before you do any so that you can make an informed decision about your next move, whether you are going to stick in the market or what you are going to do right now. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. I think we are 10 minutes in. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you are very new, just look at this bottom uh, red button there, and then you subscribe, so that at least you motivating me. Thank you very much for my current subscribers, and thank you for your interaction. So most of you are my friends, man. Thank you, and look into this. Of course, this is not financial advice, but just do, and or maybe just do like a small experiment just to see how this code is working. It's very new. We are very lucky to see some of these uh, software being alive right now. So we are just in the inceptions of this market and digital era, especially with the PulseChain ecosystem. Yeah, so do your own research. Make sure you build, and at least you will be able to see how the code works, and that will be good. Yeah, so just be free to review anything that we have talked about here. Ask questions in the comment section so that we will be able to react on them. Yeah, thank you very much. See you on the next one. Peace.